How to fix Amazon Prime error 7031. 1. Amazon Prime Video customers may receive all sorts of error messages when they use the service. One of them is video unavailable and the error code 37031. Play right after a video is selected on the site for playback. Usually, all videos, regardless of whether they are included in Prime Video, part of the ad-powered channel freebie or paid, are affected by the issue. When you experience error 7031 on Amazon Prime or some of the other error codes that you may get, then you might want to try the certain options. First, you want to sign out of your Amazon account, then sign in back again and play the video. That's all there is to it. It is not clear why Amazon Prime Video is throwing the error messages in the first place when trying to watch videos on the site, but it may be resolved with just a few clicks. Now, if you're using the app, you can also try and clear the app data and cache of the app itself. So this is how you can fix the error. Hope this video helped, and do like and subscribe.